Welcome to New This Week at EUWeb in partnership with Mouser, where each week we feature some new and interesting products. This week we'll discuss ADI Engineering's Middleware Turbot, on-semiconductor RF microcontrollers, and a TI Gigabit Ethernet PHY. ADI Engineering's Middleware Turbot is an enhanced Middleboard Max compatible board with regulatory certifications allowing customers to confidently develop and deploy to a wide range of commercial applications. A number of features have been added to improve usability and robustness, and the Turbot is certified to FCC Part 15, CE, and IEC 60950 standards, saving the time and expense of seeking these certifications independently. The Middleboard Turbot runs the same software as the Middleboard Max, but delivers 10% faster compute speed and 25% better graphics performance by using the Intel Atom E3826 SoC. The Middleboard Turbot is expandable using lures, or accessory boards, leading to an endless number of configurations to address the needs of developers, makers, and OEMs in nearly any application area. On-semiconductor AX8052 RF MCUs offer ultra-low power operation and RF integration for battery-powered applications. The MCUs integrate a 20 MHz AX8052 MCU core executing the industry standard 8052 instruction set with an RF core to form a highly efficient RF SoC. The AX8052F131 and AX8052F151 operate with an RF carrier frequency of 400 to 470 MHz or 800 to 940 MHz, with the AX8052F131 RF core operating as a transmitter and the F151 RF core operating as a transceiver. The AX8052F143 core acts as a transceiver with carrier frequencies from 27 MHz to 1.05 GHz. Data rates up to 2 megabits per second are possible. The AX8052F100 is a standalone MCU using the AX8052 core and designed to easily interface to RF ICs. The AX8052 family is supported by a complete ecosystem of development hardware and software. Texas Instruments DP83867 is a robust, low-power Gigabit Ethernet PHY designed to simplify implementation of Gigabit Ethernet. The DP83867 consumes 457 milliwatts in full operation and supports wake on LAN to lower system power consumption. The device also features excellent ESD protection, exceeding 8 kV IEC 61000-4-2 direct contact discharge. It promises ultra-low RGM2 latencies of under 90 nanoseconds for transmit and less than 290 nanoseconds for receive. The TI DP83867 is intended for use in industrial factory automation or embedded computing, wired and wireless communication infrastructure, test and measurement equipment, network printers and servers, and consumer electronics. Thanks for joining us this week. You can find all of this week's products at Mouser.com.